Umoja ni fahari yetu, undugu ndio nguvu.
Mimi naitwa Martin Zairo from Lowo. Actually, I like how people turned out today. It was a very successful event, and we enjoyed how the Kenyans came out and supported those people back home and people who are here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sarah Martin, and we are very grateful. Tumefurahia sana siku hii tumepewa na Mungu. Ilikuwa siku nzuri, tulikuja wote wa Kenya hapa Amerika, tuliungana pamoja, tukaombea wale watu waliacha huko Kenya. Tuko pamoja na nyinyi sana, hata kama tuko hapa Ulaya, nyinyi ni part of us. And you know what, in everything we trust in God that things will get better. Kwa hivyo mjipe nguvu, tuko pamoja na nyinyi. Kumeenda vizuri, watu walikuja, tumeungana, tumeimba wimbo ya taifa na tuko pamoja na nyinyi. Asanteni.
Yes, my name is Francis Mugo, and I was one of the organizing committees. And what I can say is the event was very successful. And I would like to personally thank the people that were part of this whole thing, how we started this project together, and especially Mr. Karoki here, who's been there, very helpful, and Martin. And also going to mention a few people in Kenya who have been very supportive in making this whole thing a success. They gave us a lot of encouragement, and they were very proud of what we did. And I would like to mention Francis Kimemia as one of the people. He knows about this, and the people here are very proud to see that they remember us, and we will always be together as one, as Kenyans, and we will stand by them no matter what. And the terrorists will not shake us. We will stay strong. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name is Sam Karoki. I was the chairman of the organizing committee. I live here in Lowo. I just want to thank Kenyans. We had overwhelming number of Kenyans. Over 400 people showed up at this shed park to remember the victims, to remember those people we lost on September, just a week ago, September 21st. Kenyans came here, they extended a video, we lit candles, and we remember this day. Kenya brought us together. We're gonna stay together. Terrorism ain't gonna shake us. We've been there before, and we overcame, and we have won. They are cowards, as our president said over and over again. We're gonna stay strong. And I thank Kenyans who showed up today, and we're gonna continue this fight against terrorism, not only in Kenya or in America, any part of the world. We're gonna support, and we're gonna make sure that terrorism will be defeated. Thank you so much.
Yes, is there another function you've organized apart from this one?
We haven't organized any function apart from this one. We do meet, we do help Kenyans, especially who live around here in Lowo. This is a community, it's not a group, it's a community of friends who they felt the need to call upon Kenyans. Wito, vile mtu akasikia, this is my homeland, this is my country. I can't just sit back and see what's happening over there. Those are my people, I need to support them, I need to feel. Wakenya walitokea kutoka Mombasa, Kisumu, hata upande wa Meru, wamejitokezea, wakatoa damu, wakatoa mchango. This is the least we could have done here in America. This is the least we could have done to honor those who lost their lives.
What's the message you have for Kenyans? Welcome.
We are one. We are one. That's the message we're putting out there. Hata tukiwa ngambo, wengine wako diaspora, we are one. Na hiyo haitabadilika. Kenya ni nyumbani, na we are strong, we stand, tutakuwa pamoja na watu.
Mwananchi mzalendo.